Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you something simple. I'm going to show you how to fry some fish. I already have some kingfish, sliced kingfish. That's about 4 pieces of sliced kingfish, right? And I have some onion powder, homemade green seasoning. This is garlic and parsley mixture here, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and some salt. Simple. So of course we need some oil to fry the fish in, and some flour to dip the fish in. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to season the fish. So I'm basically just going to add the green seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic and parsley, onion powder, salt, that should do it. Some black pepper. I'm just going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to allow this to marinate for a few minutes. Okay, so here I have some all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl, right? And I have my seasoned fish that I marinated for a few minutes. So I'm just basically going to coat the seasoned fish with the flour and set them aside. So here I have my pot on the stove already with some oil, and of course it's hot. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the coated seasoned fish into the hot oil and allow it to get golden brown on both sides. Okay folks, that's it. My fish is all done and ready to be served with whatever dish that I have to go with it. This is so good. Sometimes I just eat the fish hot just like that. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I put a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.